everybody. Welcome to the 8th episode of Model Car Memories. I thought I'd do an unboxing this time, and I've been doing primarily GM products except for the TR3. So I'm going to reach in here and do a Ford product here. So I've got this kit. It's an AMT kit, 1964 Ford modified stocker. This right here, you got 427 wedge engine, super wide Goodyear vinyl slicks, tow bar, side braces. Let's see, another picture on the side there. Looks like it's an ad for the other modified stockers they have for 66 Buick, 65 Fairlane. Then this box is in pretty bad condition here. So it's got an advertisement on the bottom of it. Ask for 25th anniversary specials. Let's see, thrill show, hauler truck and trailer, drag team race car hauler with free Pinto funny car. Bunch of things here. All right, so let's dive into this kit here. See what's in it. Okay, got the instruction sheet here. So 64 Ford Galaxie modified stocker. So you got the engine. Doesn't look like there's anything extra to do on that, or oops, just want to tear. If I can get this open. Really delicate here. Okay, wheels and chassis. Interior, more interior stuff. It looks pretty straightforward. Let's see, you got some advanced modeling hints right there. Oh, realistic collision damage can be simulated by the use of soldering iron or other heated instruments and an X-Acto or similar hobby knife. So you do that. All right, so let's get into it here. It's like, okay, we still got a plastic bag. It's been opened, but set that aside here. It's right here. So you got some regular lap belts there. That looks like the air cleaner. Can't tell if that's part of the suspension or not. So you got your tow bar, some of your roll bar parts, a little oil can, gas can there. Another part of your seat belt harness. There's your, so there's your exhaust right there. Couple rings, that must be something with the wheels. All right, there's your dash. Looks like a stock dash. It doesn't look like a race car dash like you'd see nowadays. It even has the radio still in it. So got a bunch of loose parts there. So all right, there's the grill. The body looks like all this has been, and your seat, bucket seat there. Okay, all this is just kind of pushed in together. So the body looks still in pretty good condition there. The interior, not a lot going on there. You just see the three pedals, brake, gas, and clutch. It does look like on the floor pan here, like they put rivets on it. You can just barely see some rivets there instead of having a carpeted interior. There's the chrome's still good on the front rear bumpers. There's the bottom of your chassis. Stock gas tank there. Okay. There's the grill on the front. Another, I guess, the front push bar there. You can see that on the picture. Okay, on your glass, you just got the front glass here. That's all I see so far. Okay, and the hood, places for the hood pins there. So that's in pretty good condition still. I might just have to set this down here. Got a lot of loose parts here. Okay, that's just a tree. I don't know if that might be for the back or the front push bar. All right, there's an empty tree. Part, maybe, don't know what that's for. All right, looks like you do have two. There's two different steering wheels here. So I don't know if one got mixed in from another kit. Might have. It's a little shorter, so something from another kit got in there. I'm not sure what it is. Can't tell anything on it. And then I believe that's for the rear of the car. Yep, that's for your rear tail lights. There you got a driver's helmet here, a little small driver's helmet, old style helmet. Don't know what this cap goes to. Look in the directions, I guess. Could be part of the air cleaner setup. And then another chrome bar. All right, let's get into this bag here. Oh, let's see. Okay, we got the slicks here. Like Goodyears. No, they're Firestones. So you got some Firestone racing slicks. It's really stuck together. Oh, so we got some damage here where the been up in the heat or something. So your wheels and your tires are all, and your exhaust manifold has been melted. And there's your oil pan. That's all melted there. So if you want to rebuild this kit, you probably need to get new wheels and tires. Something similar. So there's your firewall. There's more of your wheels there. That's the back side of them. And then a lot of your engine components here. So there's your engine, your battery, and your axles. All right, there's your racing instrument cluster there. So let's see, let me find the dashboard again. So it looks like you'd take this and just glue it in front of the stock dash. After you glue that on the stock dash, then you've got your racing car dash that still has a radio in it. So if you want to be I'd suggest if you kind of etch that down or something like that, grind it down, smooth it out, make it look like a real race car dash if I was doing it. But there you have it. The only thing I seem to think is missing are the decal sheets. Don't see the decal sheets for it. They might be in my pile of decal sheets in the other box. I haven't really gone through them yet. On the box here, it shows sort of a screen over the window there. I haven't seen that. I don't know if it was on the decal sheet or if it's a part. Let's look at this real quick. See if it was a part. Okay, there's the, oops, so this thing still wants to tear. No, it's actually part of the windshield. That's what it shows on there, but I didn't see it on the windshield here. So is that the front or the back windshield? That might be the back windshield there. Let's fit. Yep. So what I have is the back windshield. So the front windshield is missing out of this. So my thing for you advanced modelers, you could make your own windshield. But like I said, thank y'all for watching this. If you want to see something specific, please put it in the comments. I might have a particular model you're looking for or want to see. Remember, there's a lot of them. It's in early 60s, mid 60s. So bear in mind it's going to be that, and it's going to be possibly GM more than it's going to be Ford. Got a few Ford kits, but not many. Because my stepdad was a GM fan, specifically a Impala fan. But if you like this, please click the like button. Please subscribe to this for me. Really help me out and pass this along. Also, I'm on Instagram as well. A lot of times I'll take pictures of the kits afterwards, or up close pictures of the kits and stuff, so you can see them on the Instagram account, where I can't get a really good view of them on the camera here. But subscribe to both for me, and then I'll try to do 2 of these a month. So here in a couple weeks I'll do another video and have it out for you. Thanks a lot.